Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we're back from Chicago, back from the Windy City. And we spent a wonderful weekend at the MCACN show, the Muscle Car and Corvette National show. We had a great time judging cars, looking at cars, visiting with friends, and just being part of that overall community. I didn't get a chance to meet Derek from Vice Grip Garage. I had a hat all ready for him to sign, but I never got a chance to meet him. But I did get a chance to meet a wonderful veteran of the U.S. Army he is the original owner of a 1965 Z16 and still owns it. And we're going to tell you his story. So I've got a series of videos coming out this week. The first one is this one. I'm going to talk about the cars we judged. And then the second one is probably going to be an overall view of the show, running around looking at all the cars that pique my interest. And then hopefully we'll finish up with the interview with our Z16 owner. Oh, I've got another one too. I've got a interview with Brandon, and he owns some 1965 Malibus that we're gonna talk about, those two 327 cars. So hopefully you'll enjoy this series from MCACN. I've got to work really hard to do my homework on the video with the Z16 owner, because I'm not so experienced with that car, and I know I'm gonna misspeak, but I'm gonna have enough information in there that I think you'll really enjoy the interview, the person, and the car. All right, here we go. This is Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we are here at the 2025 MCACN show. And this is our judging team today. For the majority of cars, we'll be doing Chevelles. I'll try to take you through some of the fine points of it. But we are going to start with a 1969 Cortez Silver L79 Nova. I think this is the car, or L78, I'm sorry. I think this is the car we're going to start with. We got a judging team of 8 guys, and we are going to go through the cars in teams of 4. And we have day 2 cars, and which are the yellow sheets that Jim has on his clipboard, and then we got the white sheets for the concourse cars. So it should be a fun day of judging. This Nova is stuck back with all these Camaros. But we'll be headed that way to go over to the Chevelles pretty quick. We got quite a few 70 Chevelles. We got a 67 Chevelle, and we got a 65 Z16 Malibu to look at today. So here we go. 69 L78 in Cortez Silver. And God, this is just a gorgeous car. It's hard to get around because so many people are here. It's actually hard to judge the car because we're having to shoo people away. But they're doing a beautiful job here on judging the car, and the car just looks excellent. Super clean, super beautiful paint job. Man, I can't say enough. This is a simple car. It's got rubber floor mats, just a real simple interior in this car. Boy, underneath the dash is just unreal. I wish I could show you, but my camera light's not coming on. But just a simple dash. 4-speed car, rubber floor mats, just totally awesome. Tell you a funny little story with Novas. My mom had a 1971 or 2 Nova, and it was one of the last cars my dad bought from when he was working at the factory. And I'll never forget, Mom and I were driving home from the mall, and the car's only a year old, and the exhaust fell right off of the car. We were driving home from the mall, and I hear it wrapped around the back end of the car, and it was just a mess. And Mom was, I was probably 7 or 8 years old. Mom was just a mess, but boy, cars just weren't built that great. And these guys that restore them now, they just, oh my God, they go way overboard on the restoration on these things. So it's nice to see, but they weren't that good when they first came out. I'm here to tell you. First car we're doing here is a LS6 Chevelle with white interior. It's just a gorgeous car. Oh my God, I'm not going to go over points with you, but how can anything be wrong with this car? It's just beautiful. I mean, I've been all over top of this thing, and they've just done a gorgeous restoration on this car. I mean, hats off to this owner. Just absolutely gorgeous. What a great job. How can you drive a car like this? Beautiful. You go back up, I'll show you the engine compartment. But man, just look at it, folks. Really nice. Wow. Second car we judged today. This is Steve's car. It's a beautiful dark green color here. Forest green is what they call it. And I'll describe this car as very original. Look at the dual snorkels. Uncle Larry knows everything about this car. He's a 70 expert now. Yeah. We made him one.
Steve, the owner, made me.
But, this is a driven car. This is a good example of a driven car. And we love to judge them for originality and whatnot, because we see a lot of things that on the really super restored cars that with no miles on them that don't compare to the originality. I mean, they're only original once, and this is a good example of this. Steve's had some work done to this over the years, and that's what it shows: general maintenance and changing it to his preferences. But it's a cool car with no stripes, and of course we've gone over this before. Cars with cowl induction automatically got stripes, 70 Chevelles. Cars with just the regular hood for the SS Chevelle, the stripes were an option. And as you can see, we got Steve's build sheet, and as you can see, this car didn't come with stripes. So, like I said, the really super original dual snorkel air cleaner, you don't see that too much, but you obviously see it with this hood. All right, so that's it for Steve's car. And we're ready to move on to the next one. 70 Chevelle we're going to judge. And it's beautiful. It's really unusual because it's got a blue vinyl top. Look at this. And it's got the LS5 motor in it. 360. Look at that. Blue vinyl top. Really cool. So we're going to go over this car next. I haven't judged it yet. You and I are taking the first look here. But obviously it's a beautiful car. Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we're looking at our last car of the day, a 1967 Malibu convertible. Bill Wente owns this car. It's beautiful. Gorgeous. Say hello, Bill. And it's so hard to judge these cars. They're all so nice and beautiful. Let me tell you. Look at the engine compartment on this. It's a nice little 327. I'm going to take a close look at this. I'm going to learn a few things so we can improve our techniques. Right, Uncle Larry?
Right.
And look at the interior on this, just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna come around and I'll back up here, get around. It's getting harder and harder to get around people here. This place is absolutely packed with people. And look at the trunk area. Look at the detail on this trunk. Spare tire, tools. I mean, just gorgeous. Everything on this car. Look at the crowd. Look at the crowd here. It's assholes to elbows. It's crazy. But the glass on this car, the wheel disc. Oh my God! How can you go wrong with this car? Just look at how gorgeous this thing is. Beautiful little 327. All right, that's it for Mark Meldrum and judging today. We were going to do a 65 Z16, but he didn't show up. So that's going to be it for my judging team. Uncle Larry, got Van, we got Andy, and these guys did a hell of a job today. We worked up until lunch,
and then took a little break and tallied our numbers. And then we came back out and we're finishing up with Bill here. And we're going to call it a wrap on this year's judging at 2025 MCACN show. We're gonna run around and see some people and visit and have a good time. See?